The topic for the day is embracing your unique personality. Now, I'm sure everybody would agree that they are one of their kind. But what does that actually mean? So, let's understand first what personality is. So, we can say personality as a special recipe that makes you. And what? That makes you you. Just like when we, bake a cake, we need flour, sugar, and eggs. You need your own mix of traits, likes, and quirks to be the amazing person you are. But if I may ask you, why should we embrace our unique personalities? So imagine if everyone in the world was exactly the same. Let's say all females look the same. So your wife, your sister, your girlfriend, all looking the same. Boring, right? So it was like eating plain bread every day. No flavor, no fun. So it would be definitely right to say that if differences make life colorful and exciting. They say a little while ago, Mr. Sudeep says he makes life colorful for the people. So similarly, our personalities are colorful. Or we can think of an ice cream shop. I'm sure everyone loves eating ice creams. Now, if they sold only the vanilla, so how many people do you think would visit? I'm sure not many. But when they have chocolates, strawberry, mint chip, even the bubblegum flavors, everyone can find something they love. So just like ice cream flavors, our unique personalities bring joy to the world. But the main question is, how do we recognize our unique traits? So, yes, let's discuss some few fun ways. Number one, make a list. So, for that, you need to grab a piece of paper, write down what makes you special. That is, what do you think of yourself? What is special about you? Maybe you are great at drawing, or you have a talent of making people laugh. So, that is one quality or multiple qualities you can have. Then ask friends. Many times, your friends actually know you better than who you are. So, sometimes our friends see things in us that we don't notice ourselves. Ask them what they think makes you unique. Try new things. Step out of your comfort zone. And let me tell you, that's really difficult. But yes, life actually begins outside the comfort zone. So join a new club, try a new hobby. You might discover something amazing about yourself. Let's say you have been shy and never thought of yourself as a performer. But one day, your friend convinces you to audition for the school play or college play, and you get the role of a funny character and you surprise everyone with your acting skills. So that's how embracing your uniqueness can actually lead to unexpected adventures. Now, embracing your personality, of course, isn't easy because we have these social norms, social stigmas, and we always feel pressure to fit in or be like everyone else. But remember, it's perfectly okay to stand out. Yeah, think about it. Imagine, let's say you're working on some project with your friends, and everyone, wants to do their way, but you have some cool idea that's different from others. So instead of hiding it because you're afraid that they laugh, share it. You might just inspire them because you thought out of the box too. So when we accept ourselves for who we are, magic happens. We become more confident and happier. We start to shine bright like the stars in the night sky. And talking about stars, I'm sure you must have seen, the stars on a starry night. Now, each star is different. Some are big, some are small, some twinkle brightly, some glow very, very softly. But together, they create a beautiful sky. And just like those stars, when we embrace our uniqueness, we light up the world around us. And as I come to the end of today's session, I would say embracing your unique personality is something actually magical. And I want to leave you with this beautiful thought that you are a masterpiece, unique and unrepeatable. So here's my call of action for all of you today. When the session ends, just celebrate what makes you you. Share it with someone else and encourage them to embrace their uniqueness too. And thank you for being such beautiful listeners and joining us every day. And remember, the world needs your special flavor. So don't be afraid to show it. Thank you.